Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying program scope and rules so your report is valid. Once done, create a new report on Hackerone. Provide a concise summary and severity estimate, then paste one-line impact and affected URL. Make sure to attach initial evidence, full request/response, screenshots, and any crafted inputs. Include environment notes like browser, OS, and user role. Start writing the detailed reproduction steps while the data is fresh, so you avoid missing critical request parameters or timing details. Now you document reproduction precisely. Enumerate every click, payload, and timing so a developer can reproduce without guessing. Paste raw HTTP requests and responses, highlight changed parameters and server errors, and explain why the behavior is a bug versus expected. Add a short, minimal proof of concept that triggers the issue. Make sure it avoids leaking third-party data. If needed, explain privilege assumptions and attacker model so triage understands the real-world risk and required mitigation. Finish by proposing clear remediation steps and mitigation priorities so fixers know where to start. Include confidence level and any exploitability notes, and set your disclosure preferences. Once submitted, monitor responses and reply promptly to triage questions. Update the report with additional logs or simplified POC if asked. If you hit slow or conflicting triage, one troubleshooting tip: reproduce in a minimal test environment and attach a short screencast. This often resolves ambiguity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.